How's it going, ladies and gentlemen? Once again, I'm Nev from Nev's Tech, but today I want to check out this ORICO HDD enclosure. Check that out. It looks like a cassette tape. That is the coolest thing. So let's get open. Now, in the last 2 or maybe 3 years, this clear kind of external case has been very popular. This feels a little bigger than most of the clear external cases that I'm used to. We got that, what do you call that? The expanded USB mini for USB 3.0. We get USB 3.0 speeds. So yeah, maximum of 5 gigabits per second, apparently. Oh, we get to put our stickers on all by ourselves. Very nice. Here we got a real cassette right next to it. A little bit different, but just enough to get the idea, right? So here's a super close look at the circuit board. Some people are always interested to see what's on this stuff, but it does look pretty snazzy. That's right. Anyways, it is a little bit difficult to get these things off. They click together once you figure out exactly. No, I had it right the first time. But, yeah, and then just like that, clicks in. It does, you have to kind of fight it just a little bit. It even came with a nice foam pad to keep things nice and warm. Make sure that everyone is snuggled in tightly in here. So one thing that I prefer these drives versus USB drives or M2 drives is M2 drives get stuck in my pocket and I forget them and then they go for a wash in the machine. Next up, I want to see how fast this thing will actually go with an SSD. 320 frames. 320 megabytes a second. That's, oh, it's just what I'm talking about. That's beautiful. That's beautiful. So here's to give you a good idea what it looks like compared to its other brethren. It definitely looks much cooler, much more 80s. Man, I was kind of hoping I had a new way to clone hard drives, but it just doesn't work like it should. Life is hard. It just doesn't. Oh yeah, I have to put it upside down with these. No, that's not it. That's not it. What do you think I should do, Colonel? No, I don't think that'll work. Anyways, yeah, it's definitely good stuff. I'm kind of surprised that I managed to get this for 11 bucks off Amazon, normally 13. Very cool. External hard drives are definitely getting much cheaper to have these days. Anyways, ladies and gentlemen, that's it for me. Nev from Nev's Tech Bits. Check it out. Have a good one, folks.